In this lesson, let's learn about equations, expressions, and proofs for surplus theorem. 方程式、式と証明、剰余の定理。First, before explaining the remainder theorem, let me explain some important rules. The first is to represent an equation for x with symbols such as p of x, q of x, and so on. This is shown on the right of the screen. The second is to express the value of the variable x in the equation p of x as p of 2 when 2 is assigned to it. Substituting 2 and -1 into the previous equations for p and q respectively, we get the equation on the right of the screen. With these two rules in mind, I will introduce the surplus theorem. The surplus theorem states that when you divide an equation p of x by x minus a, the remainder is p of a. The way to derive this theorem is as shown on the right of the screen. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's go over the answers. Use the rules from steps 1 to 3 to calculate. Finally, let's review what we have learned. The first rule is that an equation for x is represented by the symbols p of x, q of x, etc. The second rule is that the value of the variable x in the equation p of x, when 2 is substituted, is represented as p of 2. The remainder theorem states that when you divide an equation p of x by x minus a, the remainder is p of a. The way to derive the theorem is shown on the right. That concludes this lesson.